How to get money sent to your Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get money sent to your Cash App. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash application on your device and enter the amount you would like to request. Now, tap on the request button you see there and further enter an email address, phone number, or cash tag dollar. Optionally, enter why you are requesting funds and finally tap on the request button. When you request money, the person you requested money will have 14 days to accept or decline the request. If they do not respond within 14 days, the request will automatically expire. When you receive a Cash App payment, it will be available instantly in your balance. You can then choose to send the money to friends or family or cash out to your linked debit card. When you send or receive a payment, you can view the details of the completed transactions by tapping the Activity tab and selecting the transaction. So, this is how you can get money sent to your Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.